and welcome back to my channel and to another YouTube video. So, because this was very much requested by people on Facebook asking me how I do my makeup, I figured I'd sit down and do a tutorial for everybody who wants to know how I got this look. So, the lighting is going to look weird throughout the entire video because hours later I realized I forgot to film the intro. So now it's dark and here I am, hours later, filming the intro for this video so I can go freaking edit the damn thing. Anyway, please like and subscribe for more videos and let's do this. Alright, before I even get into the whole makeup look, I will say I spent my entire teenage years watching YouTube makeup videos. So, I have to say that. I learned a lot through, obviously, my teenage years and watching all these makeup videos, tutorials, and stuff like that. So that's kind of how I know how to do makeup. And like this video okay, that's why I'm doing this video, because I've had so many people on Facebook ask me how. So I'm going to show you how. I'm going to kind of like talk through it pretty much, and kind of give like the products that I'm currently using now. Which I did switch up my foundation and my concealer, so that's different compared to like other previous videos that I have up right now. But yeah, I think I'm okay to go ahead and continue on. So grab yourself a little drink. I have my peppermint mocha iced coffee. It's Starbucks. It's this bottle that you can buy at the store. Anyway, there's something else I wanted to say, but I don't remember what. I think I need to come up a little bit higher. Oh my god, why do I not? Oh yes, I remember. My face is already prepped and primed. I washed it, I moisturized it, I put my primer on it. This is the primer that I'm currently using. And let me tell you what, I only have like, you can't see it, but it's down to here now. This stuff is amazing and it really grips your foundation and everything, and so it glues everything to your face, okay? So the face glue, it was not kidding. Now I'm going to just get into it. My hair's a mess. I'm gonna curl it at the end, but I use a brush and a beauty blender. I use the brush first. I do have to go over and get this wet. I gotta wash it because I used it the other day. But the foundation I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Makeup. It's the 24 hours combination to oily skin, and it's the shade 110 because I am pale as crap. I'm going to pump it onto my hand here. I'm going to use my brush, which this is a foundation brush from Milani. I got it at Walmart, but you can get it anywhere, I think. And then I'm just going to stipple it all over my face. It needs washed, so I've been using it for a little while now, and now it just needs to be washed again. So I gotta do that tonight. I gotta wash up a lot of my brushes. I should put my hair clips in my hair. But let me tell you what, this foundation is super amazing. I recently started wearing this again. I used to wear it a lot back in school, and I stopped using it like maybe a couple years ago. I got these. I don't really know where I bought them. I think they're from Walmart, but I don't remember, so don't quote me. I'm not sure. Hair's in my face too much and it's getting annoying. Alright, so now I'm going to go wash this real quick and I'll be right back. I'm just going to dab this all over my face. So for the concealer, I always put it on my chin, above my lip, my forehead, and my eyes, like this. Now I'm just going to blend out that concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to just do my under eyes. Zoom in a little bit so you can see. Now we're doing eyebrows. I am still using the Morphe pomade. Alright, so I do have to put my mirror right here so that way I can see, but I just follow the shape of my eyebrow. There, I'm just gonna fill it in. Now it's blush and bronzer time. And I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks. The shade is Baby Doll. I'm gonna only put a little bit on because holy crap, this stuff, it is very pigmented. There we go. I'm going to just use a brush. This is from Amazon from a really long time ago. I'm just going to blend that out. Now we are going in with bronzer. I'm using the Cream Bronzer by e.l.f. And I'm just using that shade. I'm going to be using my Duo e.l.f. Cream and Powder brush. I'm going in with this end. I'm going to dip that in. And just kind of almost like putting where like my cheekbones are. I love this cream bronzer. Like, it is so good. So now I'm going to take that cream bronzer and put it up here on my temples. Oh. Timer for my dryer. Dryer's done. I need to go change that. But I will hear me. Oh no! Hello, babe.
Hi, babe. I'm just getting what, milk and creamer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're getting frosted sugar cookie.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to double check.
Yeah, babe, that's okay.
Yeah. What brand is that frosted sugar cookie?
International Delight.
Yeah. I don't see it here. Oh, there it is.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Yeah. Just the one?
Get two. Alright, now more blush. I am going to use this one. This is also e.l.f. Okay. And I'm going to take my brush. Don't know what this one is. I'm going to use that pinky shade. Tap, tap. Lightly brush it on. Ta-da! Alright. Blush is done. Now, I'm going to take the same bronzer and I'm going to contour my nose. All I'm doing is putting two lines on the side of my nose. Okay. Big brush just to blend that out. I don't know if you guys can see. I think it makes a difference. Okay. Let's see. This worked the other day. I might have to put more on it. Just a little bit. I'm going to put some on my nose. There. Okay. Now, it is time for some setting spray. I'm using the Milani Make It Last. Okay. I'm going to let that dry. Alright, now highlighter. This is the Airspun highlighter. I think Walmart had this, but it is the prettiest highlighter I've ever used. I'm using my fan brush. Gotta be really careful. I'm gonna put this on the high points of my face. Like, look how pretty. I'm gonna put it here. I'll use my finger for this. I'm gonna put it here, the arch of my eyebrow. For the eyeshadow, I am using this palette. I got this forever ago in like an Ipsy bag, but it's Teddy Boy by Butter London. It's got like all the pretty cool tones, so I'm using that one. I think first. It is very subtle color. Oh my god, it doesn't stay open. I always put the colors on my bottom lash line as well. Okay, now I'm going in with a darker shade called Grwm. Using another fluffy brush. And I'm just putting this on the outer corner of my eye. Like that. Now I'm using this brush to just blend it. Okay, now I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line. Poke myself in the eye. I need my mirror to be freaking taller. I will take this brush, go back in with the Cool Tone Brown called Simon, and I will just softly retouch up here. Like that. One side always looks darker than the other, and I don't understand. But whatever. Okay. Alright, I'm taking this medium shadow brush. It's from Real Techniques. It's at Walmart. I'm taking the light shade called Nigel. And I'm putting this on my eyelid. Alright, I'm going in with Archie first. Okay. Now we're done with this palette. Now I'm going in with my Vampirism palette, and there's this really nice sparkly white shade that I'm using. It's this one called the Stat, and it is BAM sparkles. But I love it. I freaking love it. Okay, we're done with that palette. We're actually going back in with this one because I forgot what else came next. Alright, so now we're going to create a little wing. I'm just using an angled brush. I'm going in with the black shade right there. And I'm just going to kind of like wing it, but also smoke it out too, if that makes sense. Well, you'll see it, so. One side always looks better than the other. Always. I'm using my smudge brush to just smudge that out. Ta-da! Okay. But still, we're not done yet. We got to do lashes and then the lippies. We're going to curl the lashes. The mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Volumized Mascara with the curved brush. So now the lashes that I use, I think these are by Kiss. They're the half lash. This one is the name Freckles. I just spit. Oh, I don't know. Can you see? Alright, lashes are on. Wow. Lashes are on. So now I'm using the NYX Vivid Rich eyeliner underneath on my waterline. It's so hard to film this, I'm not even gonna lie. Can you see the difference? Alright, lip liner is also by NYX, and it's the shade Downtown Beauty. So I'm just going to line my lips. Alright, my camera shut off. But anyway, I lined my lips. Now I'm going in with this Lime Life by Alcone lipstick. It is... Alright, so now I'm using my phone because my Sony camera keeps shutting off because it keeps dying. So anyway, I lined my lips with the NYX lip liner. Now I'm going in with a very pink color. It's by Lime Life by Alcone. The shade is 203. I don't know, whatever. So I'm just going to, I don't know how well you guys can see me. I hate the fact that I can't see myself right now. I'm just going to blend it. We're gonna fix that. Anyway. And then I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the shade Eclair. Using my foundation and a little brush like this, just gonna pick some of it up. And I'm just gonna do that. Just clean up around the edges where I might have messed up just a little bit. And last but not least, I'm going back in with that setting spray. I'm just gonna set it all again now that it's completed. There, and that is this completed look. Also, I got my hair highlighted. I love it so much. But this is the makeup look I have been doing lately. I absolutely am in love with all of these products that I am using. I need to recurl my hair because oh my god, it's a freaking mess. But yeah, it looks like a filter without actually having a filter. So yeah. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will do more. Yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.